Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where to find your unique ID for your profile on the 8-ball pool application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on this tap on your avatar that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. After that, you should tap on this button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, there is your unique ID number. So if you want to copy it, tap on this copy button in the upper right corner, and as you can see, your ID has been copied to the clipboard. So that's how you can access it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.